I'm going to prepare the methyl orange. If you are coming across my video for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. So to prepare this, we are going to measure as far as my methyl orange. We are going to measure out 1 gram of methyl orange. Measure out 1 gram of methyl orange. Dissolve it in 10 cm cube of ethanol and then add it up to 100 grams. You can as well prepare it with hot water, but I want to use this. I want to prepare it with ethanol and then distilled water. So here's my wash glass. My wash glass. So I've zeroed the weight of the wash glass here. So the weight doesn't count, and then I'm just looking up to the 1 gram of methyl orange. So here, this is exactly 1 gram of methyl orange. Then inside my beaker, this is my ethanol. I'll measure 10 cm cube of ethanol. So here is 10 cm cube of ethanol. Stir very well. Make sure it's dissolved. Stir very well. Then you add your distilled water. Our methyl orange is ready to be used. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.